Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix the Bluetooth error couldn't connect. So if you are trying to add a Bluetooth device by clicking on this Bluetooth option, and if you are getting this error message couldn't connect, then there are four methods to fix this issue. Method number one is just make sure that the Bluetooth is on first. And after this, what you have to do is you have to update your Bluetooth driver. So what you have to do now is just close this window, click on the start button, click on the settings option. Now just scroll down and now just click on update and security. Now just click on this view optional updates on the Windows update page. Just click on this view optional updates. Now just expand this driver updates. So it will show some list of driver updates. Now in this list of driver updates, if you see an update with the name Intel Bluetooth, then just select it by clicking in the box beside it, and after selecting it, just click on the download and install button to install the updated Bluetooth driver. After the Bluetooth update is installed on your system, what you do is just turn on the Bluetooth and again try to add the Bluetooth device, and it will fix your issue. So this was method number one. If method number one didn't work for you, then just try out method number two. Just click on the start button, click on this settings option. Now just scroll down and again click on update and security. Now in the left hand side, just click on troubleshoot option. Now just click on this link additional troubleshooters. And now just click on this Bluetooth option. Then just click on this button, run the troubleshooter. Click on yes. So this Bluetooth troubleshooter will detect any Bluetooth related problem and fix them also. So kindly follow the instructions that are shown in the window and fix the issue. So in my system there was no issue, so I will click on the close button. So this was method number two. If method number two didn't work for you, then just try out method number three. Just right click over the start button and click on the option device manager. Click on yes. And now just expand this Bluetooth. And then just click on this Bluetooth driver, Intel Wireless Bluetooth. After this, just right click over it and click on the option update driver. Click on the first option, search automatically for drivers. Now if it shows that the best driver for your device are already installed, then just click on this back button at the top, and now just click on this option, browse my computer for drivers. Then just click on this option, let me pick from a list of available drivers, and just select this Intel Wireless Bluetooth and click on the next button. Now after reinstalling the Bluetooth driver, just click on the close button. After this, just click on the yes button to restart your system. After restarting, just turn on the Bluetooth once again and then just try to add the Bluetooth device and check whether your issue is fixed or not. I will click on this no button because I am doing the video recording. So this was method number 3. If method number 3 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 4. Go to the search bar and type services. Yeah, so it is showing in the search result. Just click on the search result services. Click on yes. Now in this list of services, just select this service, Bluetooth support service. After this, just right click over it and click on properties option. Now the first thing that you have to look is the startup type should be automatic here. If it is manual or something else in your system, then just change it to automatic. After changing it to automatic, just click on the apply button. Now the next thing that you have to do is you have to restart this service. So if in your system, if this service is already running, then just click on the stop button. Now wait for a few seconds and click on the start button to start the service. Now if in your system this service was not running, then just click on the start button to start it. After restarting this service, just click on the OK button. Now just close this window and again turn on the Bluetooth and try to add the Bluetooth device and check whether your issue is resolved or not. So these were the 4 methods that you can try out to fix the Bluetooth error couldn't connect in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.